Welcome, luxury enthusiasts, to House Lux Estate, your one-stop channel for everything luxury. We are the curators of an exquisite lifestyle dedicated to showcasing the epitome of luxury living. Here at House Lux Estate, we delve into the mesmerizing world of opulence, giving you a taste of the finest aspects of life. Our mission is to help you experience and understand the world of luxury in all its grandeur. We bring to you a rich array of content that unveils the secrets of living a lavish life. From bespoke tailoring to luxury travel experiences, from fine dining to exclusive memberships, we cover it all. Whether you're intrigued by high-end gadgets, luxury home decor, or the allure of luxury vehicles, we've got you covered. And let's not forget about personal wellness, luxury real estate, and the ultimate luxury time. In today's video, we will explore the top 10 luxuries you can give yourself. Starting our list at number 10, we have bespoke tailoring. Now, bespoke tailoring isn't just about clothes, it's a whole experience, a journey to self-expression and individuality. Imagine stepping into a world where every stitch, every fabric, every cut is made with you in mind. This is the essence of bespoke tailoring. In the realm of bespoke, your unique body shape, personal style, and individual tastes are the guiding compass. The tailor is your co-pilot, translating your vision into a wearable masterpiece. It's no wonder then that bespoke tailoring is considered a luxury. It's not simply about owning a piece of clothing, it's about owning a piece of art that has been crafted exclusively for you. Bespoke tailoring elevates one's personal style, allowing individuality to shine through in every thread, every seam, every button. It's an investment in yourself and your image. Nothing beats the feeling of wearing something made exclusively for you. At number 9 on our list, we have the luxury travel experience. Imagine boarding a private jet where your every whim is catered to. You're not just a passenger, you're the VIP, the star of the show. The world is at your fingertips and the sky is not the limit. It's your playground. Or picture yourself on a luxury cruise, sailing through crystal clear waters under a sky filled with stars. Every detail, from the gourmet meals served to the opulent cabins you retire to, is designed to make your journey unforgettable. And then there are the high-end resorts. These aren't just hotel rooms, but private paradises nestled in the most stunning corners of the world. From private islands to mountaintop retreats, these resorts offer unparalleled luxury and solitude. Traveling in style isn't just about getting from point A to point B. It's about the journey, the experience, the memories. After all, traveling in style always makes the journey more memorable. Coming in at number 8, we have fine dining. Imagine the tantalizing sensation of flavors dancing on your palate, each bite a symphony of taste. This is the allure of fine dining. Indulging in high-end restaurants, you're not merely eating, you're embarking on a culinary journey. Here, renowned chefs transform simple ingredients into exquisite masterpieces, each plate a testament to their skill and creativity. Food, in this context, is not just about sustenance. It's an art, it's a passion, it's an experience. At number 7, we have exclusive memberships. Imagine strolling the lush fairways of the most prestigious golf clubs or sipping champagne on the deck of a private yacht. Perhaps you fancy the hushed conversations and plush interiors of private lounges. These exclusive memberships aren't just about the amenities. They are about status, about a sense of belonging. They are about opening doors to experiences that are off-limits to the general public. Exclusive memberships offer you a sense of belonging and status. At number 6, we have luxury home decor. Imagine walking into a space that exudes elegance, sophistication, and refinement. That's the impact of luxury home decor. It's not just about expensive furniture, but about the ambiance, the vibe that the space gives off. High-end furniture and designer pieces are like the jewelry of your home, adding that touch of sparkle and class to every corner. Think of a beautifully crafted Italian leather sofa, a hand-knotted Persian rug, or an avant-garde sculpture that's more of an artistic statement than mere decoration. Each piece tells a story, a testament to the craftsmanship and the fine materials that go into their creation. But luxury home decor is not just about the price tag. It's about the quality and the design. It's about curating a space that's uniquely yours, a space that's more than just a place to live, but a reflection of your personal style, taste, and aspirations. A luxurious home is a sanctuary that reflects your personal style. Halfway through our list at number 5, we have high-end gadgets. In a world where technology is king, luxury finds its embodiment in the form of these cutting-edge devices. These are not your everyday gadgets, and they're designed to elevate your experience to a whole new level of opulence. Let's take luxury watches, for instance. They're the perfect blend of tradition and technology, with precision engineering encased in precious metals and encrusted with gems. Then we have high-end smartphones, crafted for the discerning tech aficionado, with features and finishes that go beyond the ordinary. Think gold plating, diamond accents, and technology that's always a step ahead. And let's not forget state-of-the-art home entertainment systems. These are designed to bring the cinema experience right into your living room with unparalleled sound and picture quality. Technology, when combined with luxury, makes life more enjoyable. So why not indulge in these high-end gadgets and give yourself the luxury you deserve? At number 4, we have luxury vehicles. There is something undeniably alluring about the purr of a finely tuned engine, the gleam of a hand-polished hood, and the plush comfort of a leather interior. Luxury vehicles, supercars, and private yachts represent not just the pinnacle of transportation, but the apex of craftsmanship, design, and technology. They are the embodiment of power, performance, and prestige. From the classic elegance of a Rolls-Royce to the futuristic design of a Tesla, each luxury vehicle is a testament to human ingenuity and a reflection of personal taste. Whether it's a Ferrari's exhilarating speed, a Bentley's unmatched comfort, or a private yacht's unparalleled luxury, these vehicles offer an experience like no other. They're not just modes of transport, they're personal statements, declarations of success and ambition. Luxury vehicles are the epitome of indulgence, turning every journey into a memorable experience. After all, luxury vehicles are not just about transportation, they are about making a statement. Entering the top 3 at number 3, we have personal wellness. A truly luxurious life goes beyond material possessions. It's also about investing in yourself, in your well-being. It's about treating yourself to the best care available, whether it's through indulging in a soothing spa treatment, hiring a personal trainer, or escaping to a wellness retreat. Imagine a tranquil spa day where you immerse yourself in a world of relaxation with massages that melt away stress and treatments that rejuvenate your skin. Or think about having a personal trainer, someone who's dedicated to helping you achieve your fitness goals, giving you a tailor-made workout plan, and guiding you every step of the way. And then there's the wellness retreat, a sanctuary where you can disconnect from the world and reconnect with yourself, surrounded by nature's beauty. So remember, luxury isn't just about what you can buy, it's also about how you feel. Investing in your well-being is the ultimate luxury. At number 2, we have luxury real estate. This isn't just about fancy houses, it's about owning a piece of prime property, a slice of paradise, if you will. Imagine waking up every morning to the sound of waves crashing on the shore of your own beachfront property. Or perhaps you prefer the urban jungle, in which case a penthouse with a breathtaking cityscape view might be your cup of tea. Luxury real estate is more than just an investment. It's a statement, a testament to your success and achievements. Whether it's an ultra-modern loft in the heart of the city, a sprawling mansion in the countryside, or a quaint villa on a secluded island, luxury real estate offers an unparalleled lifestyle experience. The beauty of luxury real estate is in its exclusivity. These properties are often located in some of the most desirable locations in the world. So it's not just about the house, it's about the location. Owning a piece of luxury real estate is a dream come true. Topping our list at number 1, we have time. It's been said that time is gold, but really it's more precious than any material possession. Time, dear friends, is the ultimate luxury. Think about it. You can have all the high-end gadgets, the most coveted memberships, the finest homes, but without the leisure of time, they're simply possessions. Time gives us the freedom to savor these luxuries, to experience and relish in the richness they bring to our lives. The beauty of time is its exclusivity. No matter how affluent you are, you can't buy more of it. Each day, we're given a set amount of hours, and how we choose to spend them is entirely up to us. It's in the quiet moments, the unhurried experiences, the leisurely mornings, and the unscripted nights where the true luxury of time shines through. Time is the one luxury that money can't buy. Let's quickly recap the top 10 luxuries you can give yourself. We started our journey of opulence with bespoke tailoring, where perfection meets personalization. Then, we whisked you away to an unforgettable luxury travel experience, where every moment is tailored to your tastes. Next stop was the world of fine dining, where culinary artistry meets exquisite flavors. Our journey continued to exclusive memberships, opening doors to a world of privileges. We then explored the realm of luxury home decor, where elegance resides in every corner. Next, we dived into high-end gadgets, where cutting-edge technology meets sleek design. We revved up the luxury quotient with luxury vehicles, the epitome of style and performance. Personal wellness then took center stage, focusing on nourishing the body and soul. We stepped into the world of luxury real estate, where your abode reflects your aspirations. Finally, we emphasized the ultimate luxury of time, the most precious resource of all. Remember, luxury is not just about material possessions, but about experiences and quality of life. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to House Lux Estate for more insights into the world of luxury.